The intent is to help you unNOise. Noise is the barrier that stands between success and failure. Now we need to block out this noise, the biased views and the limited thinking to pave the way to our own success. Now, unNOise offer Mindpower tools to help you navigate through the noise of everyday life, whether it's workplace stress, family demands, a toxic team, or your very own distracted mind. It teaches you to stay strong in the midst of chaos and stay focused on your intended action in that very moment. So choose to begin with unNOise.